I was in the living room and I could hear something, so I came down the hallway to see what it was, and my mom was on the deck because the birds are singing.
It's up in the tree up there now.
Where is he? Oh, I see him. So there's a robin up in this tree singing a lot. Where is he? I don't know if I can see him. Where am I trying to look? I gotta get past this tree.
Oh, look at, there's a, what is that with the crown?
Where?
Cedar waxwing at the branch this way.
Hang on, I'm trying to find that robin.
If he can get the crown on his hand.
Where is he?
At the, on the branch this way.
Oh, I see him. I gotta try to line him up.
And the robin is to the right.
Okay. Where's that waxwing? There he is. There he is. That's the cedar waxwing with the crown on his head. And the robin's just over there. Oh, the robin's gone. But I can hear those pigeons, or no, did you say doves? Where are they located?
Well, it'll be the males in the trees. He'll be on the line.
On which line?
They're usually high on the line. Because they have a nest here somewhere. He's way up there on the
Oh, I see him. Up on there.
That's the dove.
But a lot of birds. All kinds of different birds.
Yeah, there's a pair of them here. I don't know where the nest is then.
So what is it, 8:30 now? Just after 8:30? Still cloudy, but that's supposed to burn off, and it's supposed to be really sunny and warm this afternoon. Jolly, what are you doing? That dandelion came back.
Oh, there's other little turkeys or sparrows, and there's a People Martin house over there.
Yeah, you can hear them, but you can't see them. They're all blended in with the trees, but it's nice. Good stuff. Okay, say bye to the camera.
Bye.